Today I'm here with Bailey, my black-headed kayik, and she is going to help me show you how to make healthy sushi rolls for your parrots. So first, you are going to need seaweed paper. Now, seaweed comes from the ocean, so it's naturally salted. This seaweed has been treated and the salt has been removed. So when you are purchasing seaweed paper, you want to look on the back of the label and make sure there is no salt in the ingredients. Now, we've got that out of the way. So what I did today is I want to create a little bit of texture, crunch, sweetness. When my birds bite into their roll, I want their taste buds to explode. And I tasted it myself, and it is delicious. Bailey liked it. Puffy is removing all the decorations. We'll probably have nothing left by the end of the video. But that's okay. They're kayaks. We're going to let them be themselves. So place a pan on the stove, fill it with water, and bring it to a boil. When that's boiling, you want to start preparing your vegetables. So what I did was I used a carrot and I cleaned it first, and then I grated it. Made it really, really small. And then I finally chopped up broccoli and I added peas and I poured it into the boiling water. Now, you just want to blanch it, so it's only going to be in there for about 40 seconds. This happens really quickly, and it's so important you don't overcook it, because then your parrots are probably not going to enjoy it as much. Then I chopped up some cucumbers, Thomas, my lilac crown's favorite, and I cooked some rice. Now, Trader Joe's has some rice that's already pre-cooked. It's frozen. You just pop it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Super, super easy. And then we're going to add seeds. Now, this is my favorite super seed and ancient grain mix. It's buckwheat, sprouted millet, chia seed, golden flaxseed, red quinoa, shelled hemp seed. So that's in a mixture right here. And then, now if you have an overweight parrot, you might want to skip this. But this is my birds, and we're only using a little. And this is only for once in a while, everything in moderation, so we're going to make it okay. It's called NuttZo. This butter, this nut butter, has no peanuts in it, and I love it. You would love it. It has cashews, almonds, hazelnuts, chia seed, flaxseed, and pumpkin seed. So I made sure this was brought to a room temperature. So now that I've explained it, woo, that was a lot of stuff. We're going to start. She's already started. So first, you're going to need a bowl of water, because you are going to be dipping your hands in the bowl of water before you grab the rice and place it on your seaweed paper. So that is what we are going to do. We're going to wet our hands, and we are going to stick the brown rice, and I did a mixture of rice on the sticky paper, just like this. Not the sticky paper, the seaweed paper, but we want the rice to stick to the seaweed paper. So we're just going to lay it evenly. We're going to use more water. You have to use plenty of water on the rice. So now that we have that, we are going to add our cooked veggies. So we are going to put them kind of a little bit to the side. You don't want to place it straight down the middle, because when you start to fold the roll, it will not form correctly. So we have our mixed veggies on top of the rice. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cucumbers. That's Puffy talking to us. So I'm going to put fresh cucumbers. They're finely sliced right there. Perfect. And then we are going to add our woohoo. That was really nice. Woohoo. Very nice, baby. Yes. We are going to add our mixed seed and grains. So I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit. There we go. Just like that. And now we're going to put just a little bit of our nut butter. That's at room temperature, so it lays out nicely. We're just going to add a little bit. And then, of course, if you have a bird that is on a diet, you can skip this part. But I like it because the birds like it, and a little bit will not hurt. So once we place it, just kind of lay it like that. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to wipe our hands. And then I have apples. I didn't mention apples in the first part. I thinly sliced some apples. This is going to add sweetness, crunch to the roll. It is so good. You want to come here, Bailey? You want to come here? What was that? You're such a good girl. So, she's so cute. So we're going to add the apples, and we're just going to place them like this. Now, all the seeds have been removed, so that is important because seeds of the apple are toxic for your parrots. And another thing, since we're talking about toxic, avocados. I don't know why I paused on that. Avocados are toxic for your parrots. So you see that in human sushi rolls, avocados, but for parrot sushi rolls, no avocado. It's bad. So we have it all ready to go. Have it ready to roll. So I'm going to turn it this way. This is the hard part. So now we're going to grab the sides. I'm going to wet my fingers a little bit like this. I'm hoping no sushi chefs are watching this, but I'm probably breaking every rule. It's really hard doing it with a parrot on your shoulder. So here we go. And normally my birdies are not in the kitchen with me. We're in the bird room, obviously, because kitchens can be dangerous. Yes. Okay. So here we go. We have rolled it. I'm keeping Bailey on my shoulder right now because I have a knife that I'm going to use to cut the sushi roll, and I want to make sure I know where she's at. So we are also going to need a paper towel. So the paper towel is going to help us really form that roll. And we are going to. And then sometimes the sides want to pop out, so you just kind of want to go like this. And then you just want to shape it. Hi, Puffy. Woo! Puffy. That's very good. So good. This is also something you can do with your children. It's so important to include your children when it comes to parrots, because parrots live a very long time, and one day your kids are probably going to end up with your parrots. So it's always good to include them in an activity like this, and it's fun. So now we have our sushi roll wrapped. We are going to bring out the knife, and I have Bailey on my shoulder where I can keep a close eye on her, and I wrapped it in this paper towel. So we are going to wet the sushi knife because you want to make sure it's nice and wet so it slides through that sushi roll. We like to whistle instead of scream. Okay, so now we are going to grab our knife. The first end usually comes out not so good, well, for me anyways. So you're going to glide through quickly, and then you're going to press down. Well, actually, it came out pretty good. Yay! Okay, and then I have a knife in my hand. I don't want to get too excited. I'm going to wet it some more. Maybe not have your children do this part. I just realized children and knives don't work very well, do they? No, they don't. Maybe a plastic knife. Oh, this is coming out so good. It's beautiful. I'm really proud of it. What do you think? It's awesome. So here we go. I'm going to hide that knife under there. Yay, we have sushi roll success in Parrot Playhouse. What do you think, Bailey? Do you want that? You like it? You like it? It's good, huh? If you found this video fun and educational, please like and subscribe to our channel, Parrot Playhouse. I think Bailey likes it. I think we have a success. Good, huh?